chickens are all coming out. They see you coming, darling.
It just really dropped.
Clay's beat tired. He's came up from work.
Feet are killing me. These shoes kill my feet.
Shoes. Temperature's starting to drop. It's supposed to snow, what, like 4 to 7 inches, they said?
That's what they said.
Good thing,
Kind of hope it passes by us.
good thing we checked the these this weekend, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't really open up the hives except for the one that I think they didn't make it. We don't know how old that queen was when we got it, but that was could just be their time. Okay, here's the chickens. Going to eat. Yep. You're eating dog food. I know, peacocks like that. Love it.
Definitely love the dog.
I think I'm getting a little housebound. So I'm enjoying being outside. Cabin fever, housebound, all the same thing. Not too bad though. I keep busy. It's just nice to come outside on days like today. Partly because I can drive, I have my license, but I don't have a vehicle, so I don't usually drive anywhere because it's kind of fruitless for me to have a car because I don't go anywhere. And I hate the driving here in the winter, it's terrible. So, country driving, I think is worse than city driving, for my opinion, because you never know what's going to pull out in front of you. But I'm not afraid to drive in it, I just am busy. Now there's been a gray cat that has moved in around us, and when we come out to do chores I notice he runs, but I never see him except when we do chores. So it's like a gray and white little, or actually a big cat. So usually a cat will move underneath our house in the winter, or under the porch, or they move under the barn and help keep the mice away. All the stray cats in the area. What'd you do, Gay?
Mick
Mick kicked another rooster out of the barn.
Did he?
Oh, unless that was, I don't think that was Mac.
No, Mick's inside.
Yeah, he kicked another rooster out. It was funny because it came out really quick.
It looked like you're eating
whoa.
that dog food too much.
Oh, throw him some corn. Are the ducks eating it?
I give them corn inside.
Oh, okay, they got
If
that.
it's going to snow, I don't want them to leave
Oh,
the
yeah, that's true.
snow underneath all that corn.
That's true.
Or all that snow, duh. I feel so duh tonight.
Don't worry, that's how I felt earlier. Clay left for work at 3 in the morning and 4, and I closed my eyes and fell asleep and didn't wake up till 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
I know, that's not like me. Usually I'm up, but that's okay. I just gotta do
I got
my
home, ate
chores
my supper, and started to
things
fall asleep in the chair. And Ruth, you wanted me to go get her pills.
Yeah, I had to go get some
So I'm still
prescriptions.
pretty drowsy.
When you're old, you gotta take your prescriptions.
Oh, that's soggy right there.
Oh yeah. Still pretty warm though. House is warm. We use those Eden Pures. blows us right out of the house usually. Except on those really cold days.
Really cold days, the furnace kicks in.
Yeah, it does. But most of the time we're dying. We're like, turn the heat down, turn the heat down. Okay, guys. Like, subscribe, and let us know how your weather is. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.